I'm the Chief Executive of Crossroads Care North Wales. We're a registered charity in our own right, and you probably will have heard of Crossroads Care elsewhere in England and Scotland, and we are affiliated to them. We also have a head office in Cardiff, Crossroads Wales. What is not known by many people is that we're also a registered domiciliary care agency. We cover all ages, from the baby right to an elderly person. As well as that, we are not specific according to disability, whether it's Parkinson or multiple sclerosis or dementia, or if it's a child with profound disabilities. So what do we do? It starts with companionship and sitting with people to help them cope, to providing some support with domestic duties, with some cleaning or ironing that you might have if you're a parent carer, prepare meals, maybe taking you out shopping, bathing, peg feeding, helping dress and undress. They're very important personal care duties, and literally take over from them. We give the carer a break and to say to carers, well, what it is that you need. Are you well? Do you find caring difficult at times? Do you want to get back to work? Just let us know what it is that you want us to do.
I first came into contact with Crossroads 4 years ago when both my parents became both ill at the same time. I tried to look after them in their own home in Blaenau, but eventually decided I couldn't do that anymore. It was too hard. 2 years ago, my mother died. She had been living with us as well. My mother needed much more hands-on care than my father. My father, he's more mobile. It's very difficult to cope with two old people, and I have also got a 9-year-old daughter. Crossroads has been with me really from day one. It's not a massive amount of hours. I think it's 4 hours a week. I just would not have coped. I don't use them the way that other people use them. I don't go out shopping. I've never been out in the evening until Crossroads told me I ought to go line dancing, and that's been wonderful. The relationship between my daughter and my father is very tenuous. I have to keep them apart, and that is very hard. I find that really exhausting, more than anything else, more than any physical work. Portia, even though she has her difficulties and her problems, as she's registered disabled, she's not stupid. She knows that she's given up her playroom for my father. There's been lots of work going on, simply because I can't do it myself now, so I have to have somebody in to do painting and decorating and alterations and help with the garden. If it's summer, then this is where I'll be, pottering around, and I know that my father is completely safe.
If anyone needs any help or needs advice from Crossroads Care, they can ring the Colwyn Bay office. We cover the whole of North Wales. We have officers in the field who are close to you, so you don't need to come to our Colwyn Bay office. Just ring us and we'll come to you.
I couldn't do it without Crossroads at all. I would have to put my father into a home, because if I don't get that small break, I'd go mad.